In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Sheets to desktop. Now, technically, what we're doing is creating a desktop shortcut that opens your Google Sheet directly in your browser, just like a regular app on your computer. This is perfect if you use a specific sheet all the time and want super quick access to it without digging through your browser or Google Drive every day. First, make sure you're using the Chrome browser, since this method works best there. Go ahead and open Chrome, then navigate to the specific Google Sheet you want a shortcut for. You might already have it bookmarked or saved in your drive. Either way, open that exact sheet so it's fully loaded and visible on your screen. Take a second to confirm you're on the right spreadsheet, because the shortcut you create will always open this exact file. Once your sheet is open, move your attention to the very top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the main Chrome menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. Don't rush this part. If the menu looks overwhelming, that's normal. We're only going to use one section of it. From this menu, look for the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Or, on some versions of Chrome, it might appear under More Tools. Hover your mouse over that option so a side menu appears. In that expanded menu, find and click on Create Shortcut. This is the feature that will let Chrome place a direct shortcut to this Google Sheet right on your desktop. After you click Create Shortcut, a small window will pop up asking you to name the shortcut. This is the name that will appear under the icon on your desktop, so choose something clear and recognizable, like the project name or purpose of the sheet. If you manage multiple sheets, using a descriptive name here will save you time later. Once you've typed in the name you want, simply click the Create button. Chrome will now place a new shortcut icon on your desktop. From here on out, anytime you double-click that icon, Chrome will open directly to that Google Sheet, giving you fast, convenient access right from your desktop.